So it's really early. We're off to James's local show over in Flitwick, and I'm taking the Porsche. This is the furthest I've taken it. I've not actually taken the car outside of where I live in Leighton Buzzard, so let's see how we get on. It's going to be interesting. Wish me luck. When you got it, flaunt it, right? So I had to put the pop-ups on. So yeah, quick little jaunt over to Flitwick. It's not far from mine. You're talking 20 minutes, half an hour. But we took the scenic route, and as you can see, look at the route we took. It was a beautiful morning. Started a bit overcast, but we got to James's house, picked up the rest of the crew, and then yeah, made our way into Flitwick, into the town centre, and then from there parked up, and then we take a nice little wander around. Right, so we've made it up to Flitwick for the car show. People are just setting up now. There's some really cool stuff. Al's here, Gav's over there, James over there. We've got the Porsche, and we've got Basu-san. So we're gonna just give our motors a quick flick over, and then we'll see you. And also, Never Been Welded's here as well. You should have seen this guy's collection of cars at the house that we went to go and get me Pops one. It was an easy 7. Go on, Gav, get in there good and deep like. I'm not 100% sure, but I think that's an original Citroen Amy and a Renault Daphne or Delphine, whatever they're called. And this old boy with his BM, really nice guy, the guy in the red t-shirt, he's had it since 2004, so going on for 20 years. It's never been restored, all original paint and stuff. It's just been thoroughly loved the whole time he's owned it. Beautiful, beautiful car. Stop. So I will say, like James said, we've got to do Flitwick. It's my local show. I really want to go. I want to sort of have a good sort of show of the car collective there. And I will put my hands up and say I'm so glad I went. It was such a lovely show. Really nice family orientated event. We both brought our dogs. We both brought our wives and our children. You know, so it was just the perfect family day out. Also, this Corvette was stunning. But what was nice about it was, you know, that you felt comfortable letting the kids, you know, wander around with you, but, you know, wander around. And the dogs were happy as well. So, yeah, it was a good day out. See, there's 2 types of car show for me. Oh, yeah, Chile nice one, yeah. Just the absolute smallest. Because sit. Another thing to be said about the Flitwick Car Show is the absolute sheer variety of cars. Everything from, you know, Porsches to TVRs to classic Japanese cars to classic Ford and Vauxhall, right through to modern supercars and stuff. And it was really nice to have that eclectic mix, and that's what we love for our shows. You know, we don't want to be a one brand thing. We want to see exactly what there is to offer. What was also nice about the Flitwick show is that it's held on the green here, but they also have parking in a car park round the back. So if you didn't want to necessarily go on the grass, if you felt your car was a bit too posh to go on grass, or there was a school the other side of the road. So it was nice. It was sort of held in different areas. And from what I understand as well, there was something going on at a manor house, at Flitwick Manor House, and there was these free buses that would transport people to and from. We stayed in the park, but it was still a perfect place to be.
I remember sitting there thinking, that's what you like.
If it is, that's embarrassing. I've one spotted now. Also, the stitching on that rear parcel shelf is really cool. Can anybody in the comments down below let me know what that yellow badge on the side of the Volvo is? I've seen it on a few Volvos now and not really sure. Also, R33 GTR, best Skyline they made. Mike, fight me. And it's really tiny. Yes, it does sound Powell. PAO. Aero deck is there. Yeah, I'd have 944 over 68. Oh, too love compost. I might be wrong, it's my opinion, but I think like the Sierra Cozzies and things like that, they were like the first sort of European tuner cars, sort of like you got your Supra Skylines in Japan, but I feel like the Cozzies and that lot, that was like the real first introduction of big power, easily tunable cars in the UK or in Europe. That's what I think anyway. So that was Flitwick 2023. Just a very, very brief walk around and an insight. I didn't want to do too much footage that day because I was out there with my families and trying to enjoy the day as well. But yeah, so let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget, do the subscribe and the like, and drop me a comment. What was your favourite car there? It does help massively. See you on the next episode. Bye.